Unlocking your phone for Verizon, a simple guide.
Hello there. In this video, we'll be discussing how to unlock your phone so you can use it with a Verizon SIM card. This process involves a few key steps and can vary depending on the carrier your phone is currently locked to. But don't worry, we'll guide you through the whole process. Let's get started.
What does it mean to unlock your phone?
Unlocking your phone means removing the carrier lock that restricts your device to a specific carrier's network. Once your phone is unlocked, you'll be able to use it with a SIM card from any carrier, including Verizon.
Is your phone already unlocked?
Before proceeding with unlocking steps, you first need to determine if your phone is already unlocked. One way to do this is to insert a SIM card from a different carrier into your phone. If the phone connects to the new network without any issues, your phone is unlocked.
How can you unlock your phone?
If your phone is locked, you will need to contact your current carrier for unlocking. As per FCC regulations, carriers are obligated to unlock phones upon request, provided certain conditions are met. These conditions usually involve completing any contract or device payment plans you have with your carrier. Each carrier has its own specific unlocking policies, so contact your carrier for specific details.
How to use your unlocked phone with a Verizon SIM.
Once your phone is unlocked, you can start using it with a Verizon SIM card. To do this, 1. Turn off your phone and locate the SIM card tray. 2. Remove the old SIM card and insert the new Verizon SIM card into the tray. 3. Turn your phone back on and follow any prompts for network setup. Remember that you will need to activate your Verizon SIM before it can be used. You can do this through Verizon's website or by calling their customer service. That's it. We hope this guide has been helpful in understanding how to unlock your phone for use with a Verizon SIM card. Remember, the unlocking process can vary depending on your current carrier, so don't hesitate to reach out to them for more information. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly unlocked phone on the Verizon network.